Okay, in this problem, what we're looking for is it says we want to translate a graph vertically. So in general, if I have some graph, we'll call it g of x or f of x or whatever it was. If I add a number k onto this graph, then it is going to shift it up. If I take a graph and I subtract k, it is going to move it down. So in this case, we have this function g of x, and I want to move it up 6 units so it becomes h. So if I start with my 5x squared plus 4, I'm simply going to add 6 to move it up to create my new function h of x. So h of x is going to be 5x squared plus 10. So if you graph this function and you graph this function, the first one you'll see would look something like this. And then the next one would look something like this, where it's the same graph, it's just been moved up by 6 spaces. And that's just simply done by adding a value onto the end of the function.